Hi guys, this is Anna with Passions of Paper. Today I'm showing off a smaller journal. This is an Herbalist Apothecary type journal, nature themed, and of course always grunge. This one, we've got this big fluffy tassel here. It's got lots of stuff in it. We've got a couple beads, a couple strands of beads in it, and just lots of fluffy yarns and eyelash yarns. We've got this button elastic closure here, this cute button. As always, it is in my signature, so you will not be able to lose your closure there. And that's the cover. This is a hardcover that measures about 9 inches tall, 5 3/4 inches wide, and it has, let's see here, 1 1/4 inch spine. This journal has been lightly decorated with pockets and journaling cards, and there are 216 pages. On the ends here, we've got these fabric pockets with these journaling cards, and all the journaling cards are these herb cards with actual, real information on them. And then I always print this nice vintagey look on the back, and I have inked both sides of those to make them look nice. I can't remember if I said, but there's 216 pages in this journal. There's coffee dyed pages, and we've got my printed pages. These are printed on 32-pound paper. I went a little thicker this time. This is this is premium color copy paper, so the images always print beautifully. We've got this brown graph paper, this brown masking paper that's very crunchy. So like I said, the pockets throughout. I can't remember if I said coffee dyed papers. We've got this greenish brownish dyed paper, very crunchy, and green masking paper. Then we've got this naturey mulberry paper. The links to the digitals I've used will all be in the description box below. This journal is perfect for someone who wants the base of a journal and wants to add their own decorative touches to it. There's definitely lots of open-endedness to this for you to decorate with nature. You can make it a nature journal, an herbalist journal, an apothecary journal, anything you'd like. And that's the end of that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.